guys, welcome. And this is a everyday item. I'm gonna try to duplicate this today. But this has a bow on the bottom, and it has this welcome sign, right? I put it like sideways just for purpose, but the customers, they always can move it if they want it. My customer, she like it like it is. She just want another bow, something similar to this up here. So that's my goal. Add another bow, attach it probably up here. And the one I'm gonna add is not gonna have tails. It's just gonna be the little circle, you know, the little loops. Hello guys, how are you? Everybody's doing good. Let me know in the comments. How's your day going with the clips and everything else? My daddy, he was in his bedroom by the time he got here. He was scared to go out because it eclipsed. This is the ribbon I use, and I still have some. So if anybody's like an order like this one, hi Miss Amarellis, long time no see. If you want a bow like this one, just let me know. A wreath, and I can duplicate this. I have the base, I have the sign, everything else. If I had time, I will come and do this maybe in a live tomorrow. You know, the whole thing, the bow. I'm gonna use my, my daddy was scared to go outside because the clips, and I'm like, okay, I think it should be fine. I don't think it's a big problem. I don't know where he heard, do not go outside or something. So, I don't know if it's a belief that, you know, from old people, what is what they do. But I told him, I think you should be fine. You can go now to walk. Hello, Miss Brooklyn. How are you? I'm gonna finish this wreath, guys, okay? This is the way I have it posted on my Etsy. But if you want some a different bow, you can always let me know. A blue, a red, I don't know, different color, patriotics. Also, design, I still have this. I can offer this to be spray black, white, or cream. And this one is the ribbon I use for this creation. So I still have enough for another wreath. And the base, I have it also. Now I'm gonna just add a bow in here, something similar to this one, but without the tails. I'm gonna add it up here. So that's what I'm working right now, just to finish this order and turn it into my customer. How's everybody doing? Let me know in the comments. Let me know. So if you have not done this exclamation point notify, you can always do that this time, so you get notifications when I go live, okay? I'm just gonna come here very quick and find myself on this live video. How's everybody doing with this weather change? At school, we went today back to school. I'm sorry. We went back to school, you know, because we were off the spring break, right? The office was at 63 degrees, guys. 63 degrees, and it's because they turned off the AC. So it's gonna, hopefully it's better by tomorrow. So here I am with my scarf and my winter jacket. At least I was prepared. I had all these different jackets with me. Let me see how many we have. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna come here, guys, very quick. I'm just gonna continue my loops. I have explained in other videos how I do my bows, so I'm not gonna explain today on that. But you wanna see another one I had done just creating bows, you can always refer to the other videos. You can find the other videos on my page. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 3 more of these.
It's the sun,
yeah, sure. Can I warm another one? Cherry Rose. Hey Charity, how are you? So this is the way it's gonna be, just like this. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. That's gonna be 8 loops, okay? And I'm gonna end right here. My scissors. Let me pull out my scissors. Reload page. Okay, right here at the end, I'm just gonna trim. I'm just gonna leave maybe 1/2 inch overlay. Now I'm gonna use my other wire. This change of weather, I was thinking to will decorate for spring, for summer. So I took to the office a few of everything. I took a spring wreath. I took this one and a summer one. So I took 3 different kinds to decorate the office. So a teacher saw me with the blue and yellow, the one that was behind me. I took it to the office. If some of you saw it before. So that one is in my office right now. My receptionist, she wanted this one to have it on the front office. And also she wanted one with the loop. What is like a wire hoop. They call it hoops. With the purple flower. So I have that one also displaying at school. While it sells, I just put it in there just for displaying. So what do you have in your front door right now, guys? Let me know in the comments. Do you have a door hanger? Do you have a wreath? Or your monogram? I was thinking monograms are pretty too, just with a nice bow. Hello, guys. And also on my dispatch sale, I may have some monograms, okay, available for sale. I have mentioned that before, but I have not shown you the letters yet. But if anybody would like a monogram, I can sell the monograms too, made out of wood. So I'm just gonna attach this now. Let me turn up a little bit so I can read the message. So this is the way it is above without the tails, right? So from here I'm gonna attach it, and then we're gonna fluff it. So here's the wreath, right? The way it is. No bow, only like this. But she wanted for me to create some kind of bow, so this is the only thing I can think of is just attach something like this, right, in here. And this is wire, so I'm just gonna wrap it around. Okay, and I'm gonna make the turn underneath on this loop. I'm grabbing this one right now. Let's see if it works. And then from here, I'm just gonna fluff it. Oh, thank you. So this one, like I mentioned, I have enough material for another one. So if anybody's interested, just head to my Etsy shop. Can you see my Etsy shop under the comments underneath? I'm wondering if anybody can see that. Let me see if I can plug it in here. HTTPS Etsy.com /. Okay, so there's my page. And I'm just gonna try to pin it. But that's my page, okay? If anybody, let me see, edit. Let me edit a little bit. I think I need / on this. So that's my page. If anybody wanna see any items that I have available, you can always head to my Etsy. And let me see if I can pin it. Oh, right here. I'm gonna pin this one. Okay, so there is my shop, and we have a lot of items there available. So this is gonna come just like this on the sides. And like I mentioned, sometimes in the middle it gets like pleats. Let me see if I can get you closer. You see right here there are a lot of pleats. So sometimes also you can kind of push it like this, just make it look a little bit flatter, right? Same here, and also here the material, it may fold, you know, it may fold over. You can always pull this a little bit out, just to this number, right? With your fingers from inside out, and just push it up, and you can see smoother than this one. For example, the pleats are more apparent, you know, it looks more on this one, but now they look the same. Okay, same I'm gonna do it with these other ones. Just gonna come here, just do this number. So these are just tricks, right, that you can also play with this bow and make it look nicer. Also here, this one is, you know, like turn over right here, the material. You can always just do the number. Okay, and as you go, you always can fluff it or come back at the end and fluff it up even more. Fluffing, it means this, okay? Just run your fingers and do this number, and that will be more puffy your little loops, right? Something like that. Also here, as you can see, it's gonna change a little bit the appearance because I'm doing this number, right? It changes the appearance. So that's that. Now when we have to hang it, oh, I need to cut this part right here. So this is gonna be attached, I'm thinking, to this part right here. Just like on the loop, right on the bottom. And I'm just gonna cut maybe 4 or 5 twists. No, I need all this wire. So now with this wire, I'm just gonna use my pliers, and also with these pliers, you can do this number, right? Do the little circle around it, just to hide it even more. Okay. I'm sorry, not in the view. So now it's gonna be ready for tomorrow to be delivered. What do you think, guys? And that way I have tails, you know, a little bit of the tails, and I have the little loop of these bows. Okay, like I said, you can play with this all day. The bows is something that I always can keep tweaking and keep tweaking. Something that you can always change the appearance just by tweaking and tweaking. Right, let me bring you up so you guys can see it, how it's gonna look now. So you saw before, right, the way it was without this loop, and now with the loop it's gonna look like this. This one is just around this greenery, so you always can move this around, that way, this way, depends how you want the sign. You always can adjust this part right here. Right? So what do you guys think? Now the appearance, it has the two bows, top and bottom. See? And The decor is gonna be all black and white on her porch. She said she got new furniture, I think, also. That looks very nice. Oh, thank you. And I love this ribbon also, guys. This is not silk. This is more like canvas. It's one of those very nice rolls. I think this came from a wholesaler, but it's very nice. It's not see-through or silky, right? It comes like that. Looks like more cotton for me, right? You can see a little bit, but not too much. But it's not shining. That's what I mean. So this is the way it's gonna be now. It's right. The way it was before, it was without this. And you see this point and put it together like that. But you want another bow on top. I'm like, okay, I can do that. No biggie. All right. Well, you guys have a good day. And I hope you have a nice evening with your family and friends. You guys have a good afternoon. I'm gonna be here probably after lunch, after dinner. I'm gonna have to get something for dinner, and then I'm gonna probably come back and finish a ladybug. I have a ladybug also that I need to finish. This one, right? So I need to add some floral. And tomorrow I'm gonna use for video. I'm gonna create a butterfly. I have those orange butterflies, so I want to create that one too. Okay, you guys have a good evening, and we'll talk later. Bye bye.